Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about DALL-E 2. So what is DALL-E 2? DALL-E 2 is state-of-the-art image and video generation model developed by OpenAI. It is an updated version of the original DALL-E model, which was released in January 2021. One of the key features of DALL-E 2 is its ability to generate high-resolution images and videos. This is made possible by its use of transformer architecture, which allows the model to process large amounts of data in parallel. This makes it possible for DALL-E 2 to generate images and videos with high level of details and realism. Another key feature of DALL-E 2 is its ability to generate images and videos from natural language descriptions. This is achieved by training the model on a large dataset of images and videos paired with textual captions. This allows users to describe the image or video they want to generate using natural language, and the model will generate an image or a video that best matches the description. DALL-E 2 can also be used for tasks such as video synthesis, super resolution, and style transfer. These capabilities make it a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, including video game development, animation, and visual effects for movies and television. The DALL-E 2 is also capable of making creative and novel images and videos, not just the ones that are similar to the training data. This was demonstrated in the example provided by OpenAI, where the model was able to generate images of things that don't exist in the real world, like a two-headed flamingo or a giant hamster riding a bicycle. In conclusion, DALL-E 2 is a powerful model that can generate high-resolution images and video from natural language descriptions. Its ability to generate novel and creative content makes it a valuable tool for a wide range of applications in the field of computer graphics and video production. So that's all about DALL-E 2. If you want to know how to use this powerful tool, all you have to do is watching the next video about how to generate high resolution images from natural language descriptions, of course using DALL-E 2. And thank you for watching.